Hello, YouTubers and option pitters. It is me, your pal, Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, with your frequently asked question, my answer, your question. Today, we're going to be talking about when do I take a profit on a winner? All right, when do I take a profit on a winner? But before I answer that, please like our page, like this video, share, leave a comment, and make sure you check out optionpit.com. We like to post lots of great info on our page. We're recording this on November 20th, 2019. Next week is going to be our big Black Friday sale. So stay tuned for that. Look in your emails for information around that. So you've done well. You've got a winner, right? I run a newsletter, and I have my losers and my winners. Of late, I've only had a lot of winners. And so I was having this debate this morning. I currently am short an IBM trade, and it's up, not at my target profit, but it's up some. So what do I do with the trade? And so I want to go through how I think about taking dollars on a winner. So if you're just talking single options, so we're going to start there. That's all we're going to answer today. There are two pieces to have with a single option. One, you want to have a raw dollar figure set for your profit target. And that raw dollar figure should be a level where you take the majority of your options off. So I put on a 5-lot of long puts in Apple for $3. I want to make $500. If I make $500 in my trade, I am going to take off the majority of my Apple options. So maybe I let one or two run, a few run, but once you hit your profit target, once I hit my profit target, I no longer want to be in a position where I can do anything but win nicely on a trade. So for instance, if I had my profit target set at $500, I make $500, I sell 80% of my options. And then if I get some sort of retracement and I dump the balance, I'm left with $400, la-di-da, I'm still happy, I still won. Which leads us to the second piece of taking profits on a winner. We've all heard of a stop loss. Very few people use what's called a stop profit. What is a stop profit? A stop profit is when I manage my trade so that I can't lose. My trade is up $500. Once a trade is up that much, I need to have a stop profit in place so that if the underlying turns around quickly, I am out of my options, short or long, and I'm now insured that I am making a profit. So on my IBM put that I'm up currently about $350, I want to make $500, but I have a stop profit now of $150. So if IBM makes a wicked nasty move higher on my long puts and my P&L gets to be worth less than $150, well, guess what? I no longer am going to be carrying IBM options. I'll take a break. I'll decide, hey, I want to still be in this trade. I might re-enter, form a new trade. But I'm going to make sure I pocket some dollars. And that is the key to making sure that I bank dollars and I manage dollars. So there you have it. Set that dollar figure, right? Not an underlying price, not an option price. A dollar figure for how much you want to make. All right. Make sure that when you hit that dollar figure, you take the majority of your options off. And finally, have a stop profit. And those are really how I want to manage, making sure I keep money on my winners and when I close down my winners. Okay, folks, again, make sure you leave me a comment or question down below. Like and share, and please make sure you subscribe to our page and follow it so that when I post a new update, you're there to grab it. Okay, have a great day and a great week, and I will talk to you guys next week with another frequently asked question from you guys. Have a good one.